Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition. Begin by launching Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with Huawei. Tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. On an Android though, select I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your Android screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of it. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on an Android operating all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you see this kind of pop-up on Huawei, tap on Yes, I agree or No thanks, and then select Close this window. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!